YouTube TV subscription pricing. As of January 2025, YouTube TV's base plan is priced at $82.99 per month. This plan offers access to over 100 live TV channels, including major networks such as ABC, CBS, FOX, and NBC, along with a variety of cable channels covering news, sports, and entertainment. Subscribers also benefit from unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing them to record and save their favorite shows and movies for up to 9 months. For new subscribers, YouTube TV offers a promotional rate of $79.99 per month for the first 6 months. Additionally, a 10-day free trial is available for those who wish to explore the service before committing. In addition to the base plan, YouTube TV provides various add-on packages to enhance the viewing experience. 4K plus add-on. Price, $9.99 per month. Features: enables ultra-high definition, 4K streaming, offline downloads, and unlimited simultaneous streams at home. Sports Plus add-on. Price, $10.99 per month. Features includes channels like NFL Red Zone and Fox Soccer Plus for enhanced sports coverage. Entertainment Plus add-on. Price, $29.99 per month. Features: bundles premium channels such as Max, formerly HBO Max, Showtime, and Stars. Subscribers can customize their plans by selecting these add-ons based on their interests. It's important to note that YouTube TV operates on a month-to-month basis, allowing users the flexibility to cancel at any time without long-term commitments. In summary, YouTube TV offers a comprehensive streaming service with a wide range of channels and features. While the monthly subscription cost has increased to $82.99, the platform continues to provide value through its extensive channel lineup, unlimited DVR storage, and flexible add-on options.